As dawn breaks, Sylvia Muagel quickly prepares herself to head to work deep 105 meters underground. Muagel must get there by 8 o'clock in order to meet her Chinese supervisors at the 600 megawatt Karakuma hydropower plant constructed by a Chinese company. Muagel is among the thousands of local employees who have gained knowledge and skills from this mega project.
Engineering has been my passion ever since I was little. Literally, my parents told me I would fix things. You would find me on torches, on radios. So really, it was my passion from when I was little.
So far, over 19,000 local people and 600 Chinese have worked on the power plant that is constructed on the surface and underground below River Nile. Muagel said working with the Chinese has been a valuable learning opportunity.
Working with Chinese has been my best experience so far because I just came from university straight out from here. I did my internship here for 3 months. I came over, they gave me internship for 3 months. After 3 months, they retained me to be an official worker because of my hard work. But Chinese, to me, are the best bosses ever. They can never do something minus teaching you. They make sure they teach you, then the next time you do it. So they literally give you all the chances of learning.
The Karakuma hydropower plant, with 85% financing from the Export-Import Bank of China, will be the largest power generating installation in the East African country once completed. The plant, according to experts, is critical in meeting Uganda's increasing electricity demand in efforts to fast-track the industrialization.